Yediyurappa's secretary and BJP MLA Renuka Acharya has contacted around 50 MLAs and asked them to gather at his residence today in a bid to garner support for Yediyurappa. Well, remember, ladies and gentlemen, India Today is the first channel to report this story with any seriousness, and you can tell for yourself if the Chief Minister's secretary is summoning 50 MLAs for a show of support, you can interpret how serious this entire rumbling really is. The MLAs have told Renuka Acharya that they won't come and gather at his place and won't accept Renuka Acharya's offer. The MLAs have made it clear that they will stick to whatever the High Command decides. The High Command, that is Amit Shah, JP Nadda and the Prime Minister in the national capital. I want to go across to India Today's Nolan Pinto for more on this. Nolan, this appears to be escalating, intensifying. Chief Minister Yediyurappa clearly wanting to demonstrate his strength and his power, but it appears to have hit a wall. 50 MLAs refusing to show force.
Well, Shiv, we must understand how damaging it is. In fact, one of the reasons why the Chief Minister came out on that Sunday and made that particular statement that he's ready to resign because of this reason, because of the dissidence activity taking place over here. And also, we must understand, he feels let down by the High Command for not taking action against those who have been basically hammering his family members, that is his son, him speaking against him regularly, and no action was taken against him. Now, Shiv, for the cadre in Karnataka, whatever people say, BSY is BJP and the BJP is BSY. We have seen what happened when he actually quit the party and how the party that was in power went to the came third place. In fact, the JDS managed to get more seats than the BJP. H.D. Kumaraswamy was the leader of the opposition then. It was only after B.S. Yediyurappa joined the party that they could actually manage to salvage some sort of pride then. That's the reason we have to wait for tomorrow when Arun Singh comes over here, because 2 days he will be actually meeting, giving about 10 minutes time to all the MLAs and ministers. And the core committee will take place on Friday.
So this is being treated with a great deal of seriousness. The core committee meeting is scheduled for the 18th when Arun Singh of the BJP will be there in Bengaluru to conduct a mood of the state kind of survey and submit a report to the Central High Command. Thank you very much, Nolan, for that. Bringing in our guests on the big questions right now. Remember, this story is not in the realm of speculation. If you've got the Chief Minister's office reaching out to MLAs, trying to garner support, there clearly is something afoot. Welcoming onto our show, Mohan Krishna of the BJP, Dr. Syed Nasir Hussain, MP, senior leader